Hi, welcome. In this video, we will learn about what exactly Microsoft Excel is. So, Microsoft Excel was created in 1985 by Microsoft. It is basically a spreadsheet that can organize our numbers and data. We can use different formula and functions to enhance the capability. The basic function of Excel is to store our data, then analyze it by using a formula and functions. There are different formulas like sum, VLOOKUP, sum ifs, count ifs, XLOOKUP, index. Such type of formula can analyze our data and can summarize the whole data. So after summarizing, analyzing, we can visualize as well by using different chart functions that are available in Microsoft. So Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis also. It is used across all business functions, even the small companies to large companies. The main uses of Excel includes but not limited to data entry, data management, accounting, financial analysis. It is a very wide scope here in Excel. Excel can help in multiple functions in financial analysis, charting and graphing. You can do programming also by using VBA. VBA is basically Visual Basic Application that is a language and that can be used to repeated work that you need to carry by manual. You can automate that by this programming language. Time management can be done. Task management you can do. There are so many functions in Excel available by which you can put your entries. Financial modeling, customer relationship management, and financial modeling. These are not the only tasks that we can do by Excel. There are multiple more functions that can do. When you will explore after learning Excel, you can find many more functions as per your capability. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you again in the next video.